Right, we're off. We're going to Aysgarth Falls. We were going to go to Fountains Abbey, but decided it was such a long blooming way.
Yeah, it's about an hour and a half. I didn't realise it was so far. I thought we were nearer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're taking the van.
Yeah.
So we're just parked next to this caravan.
Yeah, I wonder why we've done that.
I think the curtains are still drawn. Hope they're up.
Why do we stop outside that caravan then?
Got a couple of passengers.
Have we?
Yeah.
Well, there they are. Hello, everyone.
So we're taking the van.
Yeah.
I think we're going to Aysgarth Falls, and we were going to go to Fountains Abbey, I was just saying. But it's like 2 hours drive, isn't it?
Well, it's at least 1.5 hours, I think, to get there,
Yeah.
and then we've got to come back. So,
it's
no, we'll have to go to Knaresborough,
Yeah.
and it's much nearer there.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay then, let's get going then.
Aysgarth 9,
Aysgarth 9.
Laban 17.
Fountains Abbey 56.
Robis village. At least you can see people, can't you?
Yeah.
When you're up higher.
Yeah. Yeah, Aysgarth.
Yeah.
It's past the village.
Yeah.
As long as you go back into the forest about an hour or so, that's where you turn left.
Okay,
He's going in there.
he's getting in there. Right. So we're going to Aysgarth Falls this morning.
Yeah, are you sure about that?
I am. I had to say that again because I realised I left my mic on the dashboard.
I'm sure everyone can still hear you.
It might
Very
be.
faintly.
Yeah, in the distance.
Yeah.
You might have to put your mic on the dashboard when you go out to do the things.
Yeah,
You've not had it on until that point.
yeah.
What's special about Aysgarth Falls, Jenny?
A lot of water.
And it's falling.
Yeah.
Wasn't there some programs made there or something?
Was it the Robin Hood one?
Oh yeah, Robin Hood, Prince and Thieves.
Yeah. Yeah.
What was the other one? You said there was something else made there.
No, there's a chariot that was in Gladiator.
If that's still there.
I think he's just past that car there. Gladiator.
Gladiator.
Yeah, and the scene where oh, what's he called? I can't think of their names now, but the evil one and his
The evil
sister
one,
are
yeah.
going along to meet the old emperor.
And he watched Gladiator, so.
It was in this car park, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're not going in this one, are we? No, it was down there. I don't think it's there anymore. Or is it? No, I can't see it. Oh,
Probably
that's a
falling
shame.
apart by now.
Yeah.
It's got a 25% thing.
Which is why you don't want to walk down here if
We have walked down here. It's
yeah, if you don't have to. Go on then. First is probably a bit much. other part's further down, isn't it? Yeah. This is why you don't want to come on a bank holiday as well.
Yeah. Because then there's loads of people walking about as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where we could do with Bob, isn't it?
Yeah, this M1 here.
Yeah, this one would be best.
This would be best, yeah.
Anyway.
Well, we were somewhere, but it wasn't like this.
Get the camera pointing in the sort of general direction.
That Becky Buddhist could go anywhere. That's all it's up. I wouldn't stand too close together.
Tell me when it's going to take off and I'll
Are you
move.
ready for running?
Key to start. One button start. So right, okay. Is it pressing that button in?
Left lead the throttle.
Yeah, that's that.
Aircraft rises.
Yeah. No, I'm down here
Oh, yeah.
somewhere. What does it say? Key to start.
This process is determined by the barometer in a variety of environmental temperature and other factors. The aircraft will automatically start when flying on low voltage. Oh, we're off. Oh, we're crashed. Watch the tree, watch the tree. We're crashed. So you know,
Well, it flew.
Yeah, is it damaged?
No, it seems alright.
it looked like one of its little blades have fell off, did it?
Yeah.
Well, the camera's gone now. The camera seems to have jammed it the other way.
So apart from the camera jamming the wrong way, the liquid running thing seems to be intact.
How much use without a camera?
What's up to the camera then?
Sort of pointing down.
Oh. Not meant to do that then.
No. Oh, it's moved.
Aha, camera is, what's it?
Right, I think I must have had like full throttle on. And
Yeah.
I don't know full throttle again, will you? Because it's heading right for the tree.
Is that the way it was pointing before? Would it not be better pointing it in a different direction so it's not going to go straight at that tree? Oh,
Look, like you said, there's a man over
oh,
there.
there's nobody that over there.
so I don't know which button got it going.
Well, it's supposed to be the right button you press and that powers it, and then the left button is your throttle.
Yeah.
And then you're supposed to guide it with the both buttons.
Yeah, yeah.
There we go. Right. Pull it down, it descends. So push right lever upwards, the aircraft is advancing.
Yeah, so if I push it forward, it goes forward.
Yeah, so this one's up and down,
That's right,
And
that's
that's
throttle, yeah.
forward and backwards, and I would imagine right and left.
So how did I start it? See, I thought,
And it's something to do with pressing that right hand lever in.
just read number 2. Because it's in Chinglish.
Open the aircraft power switch.
Yeah, done that.
The aircraft placed in the flat ground. And
Yeah.
the aircraft indicator light flashes.
Yeah,
Open the remote control power.
yeah, done that.
Source switch.
Yeah,
The throttle joystick push the highest after the pull to the lowest.
so lowest, highest. Yeah, and it beeps.
Buzzer prompt
Yeah,
tick sound.
yeah.
The aircraft indicator light is on.
So I'll do that again. So back, forward. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button there. So back,
X, come back.
forward. Nothing. Throttle back. Throttle forward. No. It's not. No. What got it going? So what I wanted to.
People. That was better.
Right. Right, I'm going to bring it back.
So, well, we've not been filming, and Bob's been walking towards the drone. It took off of its own accord and has now gone towards the river. We don't know whether we're going to get it back. Drone has been recovered.
Right, first flight of the drone crashed and burned in the river, so hopefully it will dry out. Seems relatively undamaged, but it took off on its own, didn't it?
Yeah, nearly. I was just worried about them people. Did it go anywhere near them?
A little bit, yeah. I didn't know they were there.
Well, I hope you apologise that
Yeah.
said we didn't touch it. It's done it.
It did it itself. No,
I reckon it was baked.
I think I leant on the my phone. I think my phone was in my pocket,
Right.
and it obviously operated the throttle. So what I'm going to do, I think I'll get an old phone.
Get one of our old phones.
Get one of our old phones so we hook that up.
That's what must have happened.
Yeah. I have to let this dry out somehow.
Right, can we go back to the walk to the van?
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Walk now.
as they say, that's the end of the drone for today.
Hard limestone. Go on, Poppy. Up you go. Oh. Bluebells and yeah, very nice. Yeah, so we just come for a walk in. What did they call this? Is that what it's called now?
I don't know what it is.
The wood.
Lower falls now, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm going to go down to the lower falls.
I've done middle.
Yeah, Poppy. Just me and Poppy. Jenny's gone back to the van with Sharon. Just as intrepid explorers. Don't go in that mud, Pops. There's a good girl. Go on, keep going. And more steps. It's gone now. That's a better view.
Yeah, better than viewing point there, yeah.
Yeah. How clear the water is. Come here, Pops. Yep. There's fresh water over here, puppy. Yeah. Nice and quiet up the top. You going in, Pop? Me? You have a little dip? No? Hey, going for a little swim? Yeah, for a BATH? Yeah? You don't want to go for a swim then? Alright, go on then. Bluebells. I recognise those. I'm not sure what the white ones are though.
White bells.
Yeah, so there was a disused railway. Well, there is a disused railway. Goes through here.
It'd be the one that from Wensleydale, won't it?
I imagine so, yeah.
That's probably if they ever decide to come to Hawes, it'd be the way they come.
Yeah. Yeah, it goes over there and into the woods. Right, that's it for today. We had a nice little walk around the Aysgarth Falls and had a little go at the drone. I probably ought to explain that drone, really. Don't think I did explain it, did I? And someone, a subscriber, John, gave me a drone to try out, and I've been down there and tried it out. Unfortunately, I crashed it in the river, crashed it into a tree. So I think it's still working, it's still alive, so I'll have to give that a bit more practice, perhaps somewhere where there's less trees and no river. That would be good. Yeah, so that's it for now. Tomorrow we're off to Peterborough, going to Ferry Meadows, and we'll be there for the National Motorhome Show, and we've got some friends to visit as well, so that'll be good. So we'll look forward to that. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, hit the notifications icon if you want an update of our regular videos, and we'll see you soon. Bye then.